Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janearl and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I'm just sharing this beautiful lunchbox that I got for my daughter. I cannot remember how much I got it because it's been long. Like these videos I'm posting are videos from July, September, October. So it's been quite long and it has a leak proof. As you can see, whatever sauce you put in that bowl cannot leak. And then it's a 4-compartment lunchbox. If you've been following my short stories on the lunch ideas I make for my daughter, you would have seen this lunchbox. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Please be kind enough to click that big red subscribe button and join the family. Please don't forget to hit on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my OGs, my favorite people, thank you so much for the continuous support. I love you, stay blessed, and thanks for always watching. Please don't skip my ads. Please support your girl, because if I tell you I never cash out like this for YouTube, they vex me. Like my revenue is just stuck. Just help a girl this Christmas. Watch my ads. You can click the $sign if you can. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. So after that, I'm trying to prep my daughter's hair for back to school. So I told you these videos are old videos. This is like since September when school was about to resume. I was trying to prep her hair for back to school. So the lady that used to come and make my daughter's hair, if you're an OG here on this channel, you know I cannot make weavings. So I'm always trying my best to make her hair the little way I can. So here I'm just detangling her hair with the detangling conditioner, and then I pre-poo it, then shampoo, and then we can start making her hair. So the lady, like I said, that used to make her hair, like I didn't hear from her again, so I had no choice but to do it myself. And what I was saying on this channel, this clip, is that it's not easy, making hair with nails. You guys know in my previous video that I just went to make my nails, and it was feeling so strange because it's been a long time I make my nails. So it was just feeling strange, and the little things that I usually do with ease, I was finding it difficult, but it didn't take long. After a while I got used to it again. So yes guys, just enjoy the vlog. And baby J, as usual, was just scattering. Enjoy the vlogs, guys. No. See all the dirt, see how tangled it is. So see all the dirt, and then see.
Now open wide and say, ah! Ah!
Then I go in with this. Call the phone. Hey, you come on. No. No. Guys, as a mother, your eyes have to be in the back, all around you. See this girl's beat now. This boy won't carry and choke for head, for mouth. So as you can see guys, everything is detangled. See, everything is detangled, fully detangled. And I'm going to twist it in place, and I'll do same with here, and I get back to you guys. This one they fight to cut stock breast. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
8 meters. 7 meters. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
The next day.
Maybe I need peanut butter.
No,
There is no big one.
no.
But would that one be enough?
Yes. Not 3 like this.
I need this. Which one did I buy that was always very strong or that was too salty? I think King. Was it King's? Guys, have you guys tasted these? I haven't tasted this, but I can't find any Nutella here. This Chisitos. I hope it's nice.
full of amazing
Children love.
surprises. Dive into your favorite episode only on Nick Jr. When your kids race to play, they speed up on ostracized.
He wants to kiss by force.
Using science, technology,
His own kissing now swallowing of mouth. See as he's laughing. Mama, stop shaking your head so that Fortune can do it well.
Yeah, Blaze and I are going to one of the most important places around the city.
Wow, Jaden is standing! Jaden is standing! Jaden is standing! Yes, Jaden is standing!
Welcome to the post office.
Jaden is standing!